from here, from AC, an innovative company based in Białystok specializing in the production of modern Autogas systems, as well as electronic components and wire harnesses. AC has now been in operation for 11,000 days. AC means 30 years of dynamic development, growing employment and sales numbers, loyal customers, innovative solutions and modern technologies, new products and sales markets. The AC success is based on good cooperation within a team of employees and loyal customers. Success means care for continuous development and high quality of products. Success is persistence and determination in the pursuit of goals. Success is passion, motivation, creativity and enthusiasm. It's been 30 years, but it's only the beginning. Fortune favors the bold, and we are not afraid to reach for more. AC.